Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the AI Surf token. Now the AI Surf token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. Ticker symbol is AISC. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. They have a max total supply of 100 million tokens. 18 decimal places on this token. Now I'm looking at their BSC scan. It says they only have 2 holders, so it's not even listed on PancakeSwap yet. Now if you go to their Twitter, which is right here, their newest tweet here, it said, well, their Twitter is kind of a weird one. It's at RUKHSAN and then some numbers, 33801003, but it's on the screen right there so you guys can easily find it. In their latest tweet, it says, AISC is coming online soon to Gate.io exchange. So that's where you'll be able to get this token. Just follow this Twitter right here, or you could follow Gate's Twitter, which is at Gate.io_startup. And you'll be able to see when this token gets listed on there. Now, right now on Gate, they're doing an airdrop event for this token in the startup section. So you can check that out on Gate's Twitter that I just mentioned there. Or you can follow this Twitter and they'll tell you exactly when it gets listed on Gate. Now all you would have to do is download Gate from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then go into the trade section, search AISC, and then you can buy the token, but you'll just have to wait until it gets listed on Gate. And or they might announce that it's going to be also listed on PancakeSwap around the same time as well. So the max supply of this token is 100 million tokens. It's a BEP20 token. Token distribution here, 40% of the tokens go to community mining, 25% go to foundation, 15% go to early ecology, 13% technology development, 7% early financing. Their webpage is at AIScoin.ai, and on that webpage you can also find a full white paper Gitbook. It'll take you over to AISC.gitbook.io. So AI Surf is a system based on machine learning algorithms which can transform complex algorithms into simple and understandable symbolic expressions such as charts, flowcharts, mathematical formulas, etc. This way, developers can intuitively see the logic and affect the algorithm without having to rewrite lengthy code. This greatly reduces the development cycle and improves the development efficiency. AI Surf is not only a technology platform, but also an innovation platform. We have a rich computing resource and data resource which provides strong support for AI Surf. At the same time, we also bring together top talents from all over the world to conduct cutting-edge research and development in the AI Surf field. Our goal is to achieve breakthroughs in innovation in artificial intelligence through AI Surf, build more powerful and universal artificial intelligence systems, and bring more convenience and value to the human society. So the application scenarios of AI Surf, it's an intelligent chatbot that can have natural and smooth conversations with users, answer various questions, and provide a variety of services. The AI Surf can understand not only the user's language but also the intentions, emotions, and needs, thus giving more personalized and satisfactory answers. AI Surf can not only communicate through text but also contact users through voice, phone, web page, email, and other channels. Both enterprises and individuals can manage and communicate efficiently through AI Surf. AI Surf can help users handle various affairs such as booking hotels, checking flights, buying goods, etc. AI Surf can also provide detailed suggestions that meet their actual needs and goals according to their user-specific situation and record the questions so that professionals and technical personnel can answer the follow-up. The core technology of AI Surf is natural language processing, NLP, which is a discipline that studies how computers understand and generate natural language. AI Surf adopts the latest NLP technology, able to identify, analyze, and understand the user's language information and generate appropriate language information based on context, knowledge base, and logical reasoning. AI Surf not only focuses on the accuracy and effectiveness of language, but also focuses on the emotional expression of language. AI Surf enables virtual people to have emotions and empathy, to build trust and friendly relationships with users, and to improve user satisfaction and loyalty. So it goes over their whole foundation called the MacArthur Foundation, located in the Cayman Islands. They also have a team introduction. They go over some of that on their Git book if you want to check that out. They also have the coin mechanism. So for the coin, it says, in order to effectively motivate the participants and realize the ecological development of the platform, AI Surf will issue the token AISC. AISC is an important value media tool in the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. Is a token issued based on BEP20 standards. In the AI Surf platform, every participant effectively connects together through the sharing of the use of data and the acquisition and consumption of the token to jointly build and improve the AISC ecosystem. All active, growing, and creative behaviors in the system can obtain incentive benefits, and all benefits are settled by AISC. So they have an insane amount of information that you could check out on their Gitbook, aisc.gitbook.io. So I recommend checking that out if you want to learn more about this project. I would follow those 2 Twitters that I mentioned earlier. You'll be able to see when this token gets listed on Gate and on PancakeSwap. One of the Twitters is right on the screen there. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day. Peace out.